In today's video we are brakes are more important than engine. Oh shit. So good. It's amazing. I'm so happy. How am I gonna get home? In today's video we are working on my e36 Touring, but before we do I gotta clean some mess that we left after finishing the brake swap on the e36 coupe. If you've been watching this channel for a while, you know that I keep talking about how much I want to work on my Golf. It's absolutely my favorite car here, but I never have time to work on it because my dailies always keep taking that time away. And this time it's for the dumbest idea ever. I'm missing a front plate. The day me and Nikita finished working on his coupe, we drove here during a massive storm and I lost my license plate. I've been calling police stations, town halls, everybody. They were nice, but they don't have my plate. And I'm waiting. I should call them in 2 days again, and if they won't have it, I'm gonna have to get a new plate for the car. That means I cannot drive it. It's illegal right now to drive this car because that's the law in Poland. So I have a little bit of time to start working on the car, and a little time ago I collected a lot of parts for this car and we're gonna install them. Hopefully a lot faster than we did in Nikita's car, but because that's also a brake swap. Ta-da! My swap will be very similar to what we already did on this channel, but I'm doing only the front of the car and I also change all the brake lines, hard and soft ones and rubber ones. And no, I am not doing the same as Nikita. I had this set collected first, so I'm not doing the same what he did. So my current brakes are stock and there's nothing bad about stock brakes. Apart from I track this car and I just want more stopping power to be better. And bigger brakes look cool, and mine are the yellow, so everybody will see that I mean business, even though that's 1.6, doesn't matter. Brakes are more important than engine. Let's take it apart. We are ready to put new brakes in the car. But before we do that, I want to take a second and appreciate the difference between old set and the new set, especially the size of the disc. Ooh, that's a big upgrade. Before I put my new set on the car, I want to tell you something I just noticed about my old set. This is my front disc, and this one is from Nikita's 328 BMW. And check this out. They are the same size. So his power, in my opinion, was really underbraked, if that's even a word. This is amazing that the only difference between my and his cars is that his disc was vented and mine wasn't. If you have 328 or 325 or something like more powerful BMW, upgrade your brakes. You will love it. I told you I'm also changing hardlines, which I got pre-made, and that's a very cool way if you don't have the tools or just don't want to do it, because it's very cheap to get it done, really. It's described here, it's in Polish, but front left, I don't need that. I need front right at the moment. Yep, I got it here, it's folded. Now I disassembled the front a little bit so I can have a clear view of where the line is going. Now I'm going to put it in a place where the old one would go and shove it in a hole. Right brake line is in the car, so I replaced it. I made it somehow. Now it's time to put new disc and new caliper in, and that is very exciting for me. My brakes, unlike Nikita's, are not fully assembled, so we have to assemble them before we can put them on. That should go quick if I got the right part. Okay, cool thing about this disc is it has it is directional disc. It has P for right, because prawo is right in Polish. And even cooler thing is, back where I'm from, in Częstochowa, I live like 2 streets away from the manufacturer of this disc, Mikoda, and I've never used their product. This is their GT line, I think, and we'll see what it's worth. So far, it looks amazing. Come on, such a huge disc. That's sick. I'm super happy that I went with yellow caliper and it looks amazing. I'm so happy with the way it looks. Look how it pops out together with the blue that the car is. It's like perfect combo. I think it's called complementary colors. Let's put the wheel on really quick and see what it looks like with the wheel. It's not as noticeable as I would think it will be. You can see it a little bit in the corner and it's like, I want you to see it, but it's not popping really well. And the other thing, my wheel is super dirty and needs refurbishing. All right, it looks awesome. In my opinion, this is perfect. I love my wheels, I love the color of the caliper, and I like the color of the cars. Together, this just is like perfect for me. I need to refurbish my wheels. They really need that. And well, maybe it will look a little better if I would clean them. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one and bye.